The diagram shows a frustum made by removing a small cone from a larger cone. This is the frustum. This is the smaller cone. And this is the larger cone. Okay. The height of the small cone is 7.5. The height of the small cone is 7.5. The height of the frustum is 4.5. The radius of the larger cone is 4.2. Okay. Work out the volume of the frustum. Volume of the frustum. Okay. So volume of the frustum can be calculated by subtracting volume of the smaller cone from volume of the larger cone. And what is the formula of volume of cone? 1/3 pi r square h. Okay. So we have height of the smaller cone. Height of the larger cone will be 7.5 plus 4.5. So it will be 12 centimeter. Height of the larger cone. Okay. And radius of the larger cone is 4.2, but we don't have the radius of the smaller cone. Okay. So first we have to calculate radius of the smaller cone. Okay, as the two shapes are mathematically similar, the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. So the radius of the smaller cone over radius of the larger cone is equals to height of the smaller cone over height of the larger cone. So radius of the smaller cone we have to calculate, and radius of the larger cone is 4.2 centimeter, and height of the smaller cone is 7.5 over height of the larger cone is 12. So let me calculate the radius of the smaller cone. 7.5 multiplied by 4.2 divided by 12. Its radius of the smaller cone is equals to 2.625. Okay. Okay, so now we can calculate volume of the frustum. Volume of frustum is equals to volume of larger cone minus volume of smaller cone. Okay, so formula is 1/3 pi r square h minus 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi radius of the larger cone is 4.2 square, height is 12, minus 1/3 pi radius of the smaller cone is 2.625 square, and height is 7.5 centimeter. Okay, let's just calculate it. 1/3 pi r 4.2 square, height is 12, minus 1/3 okay, 2.625 square, and height is 7.5 right, is equals to 167.55. So this is the answer. If we will round it, it will become 168.